this episode I'm sending my WRX to MOT, so we are tackling quite a few different things, like exhaust, some electrical, brake pads, and a CV booth that puts up a fight, but we get there eventually. Hope you enjoy watching.
Great! I haven't done a CV booth on an Impreza before, so it should be exciting.
This tab needs to be straightened out.
Okay, should be clear now. Let's see. Oh, that was way easier than expected. Whew. I'll try to wiggle this one out. Okay. This is a bolt with a knot on it, as it shouldn't be. It should be like this. Grease at least. So. I think that's the worst of it. So this is what I will be treating it with. Hammerite, direct on rust. So we'll try that. Okay, plus.
Should probably have spent the money and bought a new CV joint, but yeah, not today.
Happy with that. While the paint is drying, I thought I'd try to mount my rear bumper. I just inserted this. Probably not. There we go.
Here I'm about to mount my rear splitter or diffuser and just going over the different possibilities on how to mount it. The previous owner had just used zip ties, so it was just flapping around and making all sorts of noises. He had also zip tied it to the inside of the bumper, and that didn't look good at all. So I decided to drill some holes and mount it properly on the outside.
Hopefully this will fit like a glove.
I went to my local parts store to pick up a CV boot, and they had two different ones, and couldn't tell which one fit my car, so I took a chance and just bought one of them, and of course I bought the wrong one, so...
There's no line doubts about it. That's great. So, here, this is where we're at. I got my hands on a new CV joint. CV booth. So this is not identical, but it's the same diameter. Just get it in there. We'll just fill the rest in the CV boot. It's straightforward, just align the splines. That's easier when you can see what you're doing. There we are. I think that's success. Oh. It's better. There we are. Now we have to line this hole with that hole so we can put that bolt through. And just tighten this bolt, holding the brake line. You can see there are small marks, so you can adjust the camber.
So with the car back on the ground, the next thing on my to-do list is the exhaust. As you can see, I have no catalytic converter, and you need that for the MOT.
Ain't the original exhaust. Quite a difference. That's on. Check. So far, so good. Nice.
Next on the to-do list is my horns. They have never worked, but I hope it has something to do with the wiring and not the horns themselves. So let's dig into that.
Fingers crossed. No sound. Power. Might have a bad ground, but I'll try.
So with all this done, I crossed my fingers and sent the car to MOT. Yeah, it didn't pass, but it wasn't all bad.
Continuing the work on the WRX, the first thing we'll do now is we'll swap out the braking pads, because the pad came loose from, I don't know if you can see that. Slides out. Yeah, that came loose as well. Nice. Since I didn't get new hardware, I'll just clean that back. See my CV boot replacement didn't go exactly as it should. So, great!